Hey, how's it going everybody? I hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to be changing the oil on my Suzuki GS500. Now, I got the bike back in March, it's May now, and I have not yet done an oil change on it. Usually that's the first thing I do when I buy a vehicle, but for some reason the oil just looked fine, I didn't think it needed it, but today we're going to be doing it. So hopefully by the end of this video you'll know how to change the oil on your Suzuki GS500 and possibly other motorcycles as well. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so this is what you're going to need to change the oil on your Suzuki GS500. You're going to need 3 liters of motorcycle oil, an oil filter and new gasket for your oil filter, a 17mm socket and wrench, a 10mm socket and wrench, torque wrench, I have 2 kinds here, some gloves in case you need them, and an oil catch pan. Okay, so step 1, underneath the bike is going to be your 17mm oil pan bolt. You're going to want to remove this and drain the oil into your catch pan. Once the oil starts draining, you can loosen the dipstick cap to allow it to drain more freely. Alright, while that oil is draining, let's now loosen the 3 bolts for the oil filter cap. Take your 10mm socket and loosen those up. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. This has been a video on how to change the oil on a Suzuki GS500, and hopefully it's inspired you to change your own oil from now on and save some money. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.